Imagine being so good that the organizers of the sport have to change the rules to make you slower. This is what happened to Ryan Lochte in 2015. When Michael Phelps started breaking the world record of the 200 IM in 2003, we didn't think anyone would beat him in this race. In 2004, Phelps still looked very dominant. Then in 2006, Ryan Lochte got very close, but Phelps kept getting faster and faster and breaking the world record. It wasn't until 2009, the year of the supersuits, that Lochte finally broke Michael Phelps' world record and became a world champion. Then the suits were banned, and we thought, that's it. This record will take decades to be broken again. The combination of Phelps and Lochte competing had produced extraordinary results, but without the supersuits, breaking this world record seemed far-fetched. 2 years later, this epic rivalry would produce the two fastest 200 IM times ever recorded. Lochte touched the wall 0.16 seconds faster than Phelps, breaking the world record and leaving him in the top spot for 13 years and counting. No one has swum faster than these two that day. Not even the new sensation, Léon Marchand. Lochte and Phelps continue to produce great spectacles in the pool. But in 2012, Lochte would lose against Phelps on the biggest stage, the Olympics, one more time. One day, he was tinkering in the water, as many great swimmers do, and discovered that he was faster underwater doing dolphin kicks face up than face down. This gave him the idea of kicking underwater on his back before doing freestyle. This doesn't seem like a big deal. Isn't it the same movement? Why would it be faster? Well, I suspect it has to do with balance. On the water, the chest full of air wants to pop up, leaving the legs deep. While doing dolphin kicks, many people have a stronger front kick than a back kick. This helps them maintain a more balanced horizontal position when facing down that keeps the legs and chest in line. When on the back, swimmers often pop up too steep because the front kick causes them to push their legs deeper. Lochte had a very strong back kick, probably the strongest in the world. As a result, he was more balanced and faster on his back than on his stomach. The times he tried this new technique in 2015 were impressive to watch, not only because he was doing something different, but because he was faster than everyone. FINA didn't like this. It looked too much like backstroke when everybody was swimming freestyle in the last leg of the IM. So they said that it was illegal. The swimmer must be on his stomach on the freestyle leg. Despite it being called freestyle, it's not what it sounds, at least not in the IM. Because of Lochte, many people got disqualified, even if they were not doing backstroke kicks. See, almost everyone spends some time on their back while doing a flip turn. This new interpretation of the rule left officials making unnecessary calls, all because Lochte changed things up. After they realized it was ridiculous, they changed the rule to allow people to swim on their back before doing one dolphin kick or a stroke. So they just changed the rules to prohibit one swimmer to swim faster. And even though we haven't seen Lochte in an international competition for some years now, everyone, especially in the 400 IM, are doing careful and awkward turns in freestyle. The rule is so confusing and unnecessary that in 2022, after watching a replay, the officials decided to disqualify Léon Marchand. Then, after re-watching the replay, they de-disqualified him? Even though you can do this Lochte turn legally in freestyle events, not everyone is powerful enough on their back kick to swim as fast as Lochte. Lochte still holds the world record that he broke without a supersuit or the Lochte turn. Now we're left with a rule that was created against one specific swimmer and just makes the life of officials and swimmers a bit harder. Lochte hasn't announced his retirement yet, so maybe they are still afraid of him coming back and doing a couple of dolphin kicks on his back. The last time Lochte and Phelps swam together, the amazing Japanese swimmer Kosuke Hajino got second place behind Phelps with a time of 1:56 61. We haven't even started the Olympics, and this season, the 7th fastest swimmer is faster than Hagino's silver medal winning time. That means this year is going to be fast. But do you think someone will break Ryan Lochte's world record? If you want to learn to swim any stroke faster, I recommend watching this video next. See you there. Swim fast.